What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be comparing two powerful tools, Monday.com and Hubspot. So whether you're looking to enhance your project management or boost your marketing efforts, I'll help you decide which platform suits your needs best. So let's get right to the video. Let's start first with Monday.com. Monday.com is known for its vibrant interface and customizable workflows. It's a project management tool designed to help you manage your tools, your projects and tasks, whether it's for your business or for your personal life. And it can help your team streamline their processes and improve collaboration. It has a variety of features including customizable boards, timeline views, and automation option. So here you can set up multiple workspaces, let's say one for your work, one for business, one for your personal tasks. And in each board here, you can go ahead and, or in each workspace, sorry, you can go ahead and add a board. And in this board, I can go ahead and view or edit all my information right here. So this is like a sample board that I have. And yeah, so you can get multiple views. So like a main table view, a map view, a listing times, a Kanban view for your tasks here. So Monday.com is pretty versatile in this aspect. It's also perfect for teams that need to manage complex projects with multiple moving parts. Next up, we have Hubspot. Now, Hubspot is an all-in-one marketing, sales, and service platform designed to help businesses grow. It provides you with lots of marketing tools such as email marketing, CRM or customer relationship management, social media management, and much more. Now, the strength of HubSpot lies in its comprehensive suite of tools that integrate seamlessly, making it a favorite for businesses looking to streamline their marketing and sales effort. Now, let's talk about the main uses of each platform since they are slightly different. Monday.com is ideal for project management, task tracking, and team collaboration. It has visual boards with lots of views that make it easy to see the status of different tasks at a glance. And its automation capabilities can save you time in repetitive tasks. So you can set automations to do repetitive tasks for you. HubSpot, on the other hand, excels in marketing automation, customer relationship management, CRM, and sales tracking. It's perfect for businesses that need to manage their marketing campaigns, track customer interactions, and optimize their sales processes. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of each platform, starting with Monday.com. Now, Monday.com has a pretty user-friendly interface with lots of colorful and intuitive designs to make it easy to use. It also has robust automation features to automate repetitive tasks for you, and it has excellent collaboration. You can collaborate in real time with all your team members, even if you have a big project on hand. Now, however, the cons. Now, I would say the biggest con with Monday.com is the cost. It can get pretty pricey, especially for larger teams, if you go with the more advanced plans. How, of course, you do have a free plan, but if you want to use it to its maximum capabilities, use all the views, all the tools that are available, you need to subscribe to a paid plan. It also has a bit of steep learning curve. It's easy to use, I don't deny it. However, it has lots of features and mastering all of them requires some time and effort. And it also has limited marketing tools. So I know it's not designed to be a marketing tool in the first place, but if we are comparing Monday.com to HubSpot, like for the sake of this comparison, now this is a con for Monday.com that it doesn't have marketing tools. And that's because it's not designed for comprehensive marketing management. Now let's go to HubSpot. Now, first of all, it has lots of comprehensive tools. It is all-in-one platform for marketing, sales, and service. So that is what its main focus is on, marketing and service. So of course, it'll have much better tools for marketing and than Monday.com. And it's also suitable for small businesses as well as large enterprises. So no matter what the size of your business, you will find that it's better for you, or it's good for you in the aspect of marketing and sales. It has integrated CRM or customer relationship management to seamlessly manage customers, relationships, and sales pipelines. However, it doesn't come without any cons. And the first one or the most obvious one is the complexity. It can be overwhelming due to the wide range of features it offers. Also, the cost. Pricing can be high, especially for advanced features, and the learning curve is steep because it has lots of tools and lots of capabilities, so you need time and effort to fully leverage its capabilities. Now, which one is better for you, or which platform should you choose to use and invest in and spend time and money getting the pro features and learning it? Now, if you need robust project management tool with strong collaboration features, Monday.com will be the right fit for you. But if you're looking to enhance your marketing effort and streamline your sales processes, then HubSpot is the tool to go for.